morning to you all. Myself, Jyoti Vashist from the Surya School, Rewari, taking the chapter of class 10th chemistry, chemical reactions and equations. Today's topic is types of reactions. The first one is combination reaction. Students, combination reaction means the reactions in which two or more substances, two or more reactants combine to form a single product like this is called combination reactions. Single product. Remember that in all types of combination reactions, in all the combination reactions, single product is formed. That is called combination reaction. For example, when quicklime calcium oxide react with water, it forms a single product slaked lime calcium hydroxide. Here single product is formed so that it is the type of combination reaction. In this reaction, a large amount of heat is released. So we studied earlier that in those reactions in which heat is released, temperature increases are exothermic reactions, and in this reaction single product is formed. So it is the reaction which is an example of combination reaction as well as exothermic reaction. Some other example of combination reactions like when this quicklime calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide gas, it forms a single product, a substance calcium carbonate, that is also known as limestone. Here also a single product is formed. That's why it is called combination reaction. The next type of reaction is decomposition reaction. As we know that decomposition means to break down into its components, means the reactions in which a single reactant, remember, single reactant, break down into its components. Like a single reactant A decomposes into its reactants like for example, a symbol when AB reactant decomposes, it breaks down into its components A and B. Let's take some examples. Like CaCO3 calcium carbonate, when it heated, here the triangle sign shows the heat, calcium carbonate heated. Calcium carbonate on heating break down into its components. Those are calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So it is a decomposition reaction in which a single reactant break down into its components calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Here the decomposition takes place due to the heat. The decomposition is taking place by the given heat. That's why it is called thermal decomposition. So, the thermal decomposition reaction means the decomposition reactions which takes place due to heat energy. Some other examples of thermal decomposition. If we heat the green colored ferrous sulfate, it breaks down into its components to form ferric oxide, which is brown in color, and two gases, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. It is also an decomposition reaction because in this reaction also a single reactant break down into its components due to the heat. That's why it is another example of thermal decomposition. The next type of decomposition reaction is photolytic decomposition reaction. Photo means light, so that the decomposition reaction takes place due to the energy of light is called photolytic decomposition. Let's take an example. If silver chloride AgCl exposed in sunlight, so AgCl break down into its components means silver and chlorine gas. The chlorine gas evolve out and silver deposited on the bowl, deposited on the china dish. This decomposition reaction takes place due to the presence of sunlight. This decomposition takes place due to the light energy. That's why it is known as photolytic decomposition. The third type of decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition. The decomposition reaction due to the electric current, due to the electrolysis is called electrolytic decomposition. For example, if water is electrolyzed, if we done the electrolysis of water, then water break down into its components. Those are hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So here a single reactant water break down into its components hydrogen and oxygen gas. So it is decomposition reaction, and this decomposition reaction takes place due to the electrolysis. That's why it is known as electrolytic decomposition. The next type of reaction is neutralization reaction. Neutralization means when an acid and base react with each other to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. Example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide base to form a salt NaCl, sodium chloride, and water. So here it is the neutralization reaction where an acid react with base to neutralize it to form salt and water. Thank you everybody and have a nice day.